How to embed a video in Outlook. Good day, folks. Welcome to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. I'm going to show you how you can embed a video in your Outlook email. So the first thing you want to do is jump onto the Outlook app. You can also use the website version, and we're going to go ahead and do it like this. On the top left-hand side, you can see that it says New Email, and we're going to tap on that. Now, this is where you will actually create your email. So let's open this window in full, and you can see over here, of course, you are going to define who you're sending it to, and you're also going to define your subject line. Now, in the main part of the email where your body of the email is, we're going to go ahead and embed this video. So we're going to jump over now to our YouTube channel, and any one of your videos over here in YouTube Studio, you can go ahead and you can locate the three dots at the end of the video, and it says options. Now once you tap on that, you can tap on view on YouTube, and it'll open up the video on YouTube just as everybody else will be able to see it. Over here you get the opportunity to tap on share, which is just underneath the video, and once you tap on that, you will see embed. Now you can tap on that. Now what it basically does is it gives you your thumbnail over here, and then you can go ahead and use some sort of screen grabber or snipping tool, whatever the case may be. I'm going to use the standard Windows snip tool. You can go ahead and you can search for it, but this is what it looks like, and this is how it works. So you go ahead and you just tap on new, and you can now just drag over and you can select what it is that you would like to select. So we're going to now select this thumbnail over here, and we can just go like that, and it'll now save this screen grab that we just did. We now are going to tap on the URL just at the top over here. So we're going to tap on that, and we're going to copy that URL. We're going to jump back now into our message over here, our email, and you are going to now add that image that we just snipped. So we're going to go ahead at the top, we're going to tap on insert, and right over here you can see pictures. Now you can either tap on attach file, or you can tap on pictures. So we're going to go ahead and tap on pictures, and then we are going to locate that screen grab or that snip that we just snipped. So we're going to use it over here, and we're going to tap on insert. Now over here you can see that it's in the main part of your email. You can now obviously resize it if you would like to, and then of course if there's text with your actual email, you can either have it above the image or below the image. So what we're going to do now is we've tapped on this picture, it is now selected. So from here we're going to go ahead and we are going to right click on this image, and you're going to look for the option that says link, and it'll open up this window. Now we're going to tap on the insert link right over here, and you can now insert the link that is attached to this video. So right over here, that link that we just copied, that URL that we copied from the page, we're going to paste it right over here, and we're going to tap on OK. Now when this email is received, you can see that there is a play button on the actual picture. So when somebody is receiving this email, you're going to go ahead and you actually tap on the image as you see it over here, and this video will be able to be viewed right from the email. It will redirect you to YouTube, and you'll be able to watch that video. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions on this topic, you can go ahead and drop it in the comment section. We'll see you next time. Bye bye.